We just got word from another satisfied customer of ours who wanted to tell the world we did a great job. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what they had to say.
In Memphis, our mosquitoes are crazy intense. We couldn't go into our backyard ever without smearing bug cream all over ourselves. It was awful. About 2 years ago we put in one of these MistAway systems, the tankless one. Ever since then we go out into the yard anytime we want. We especially enjoy weekends. Like for morning coffee as the sun comes up. When we have friends over for a couple beers or some wine. We often end up outside, no bugs, no problem. We love the MistAway. You guys must love me too because several of those friends have bought their own system.
And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we'll work very hard to earn both. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.